5 seconds to go. Start. Its duty is not limited to the dispute between the parties, colon, on the contrary, comma, its duty is to act in the way best suited in its judgment to serve the true interest and welfare of the ward, stop. In exercising wardship jurisdiction, comma, the court is a true family court, stop. Its paramount concern is the welfare of the ward, stop. It will, comma, therefore, comma, sometimes be the duty of the court to look beyond the submissions of the parties in the endeavor to do what it judges to be necessary. Stop. Para. Indian position seems to be different from England. Stop. Section 126 to 129 of the Evidence Act do not draw any distinction between adversarial and investigative litigation as such, comma, and privilege is applicable all through. Stop. This aspect is crucial, comma, as it touches on the foundations of the legal profession at large in India. Stop. This court does not want to express any opinion in this regard as the case at hand is different and such an issue does not arise, comma, for the following reasons, colon, para. The investigation report was inconclusive, comma, as admitted by SEBI itself. Stop. Instead of SEBI referring the issue to an expert, comma, it could have undertaken the exercise of further investigation by itself, comma, which was not done. Stop. SEBI ultimately took further steps, comma, only because of the first opinion of Justice retired B.N. Shri Krishna. Stop. Para. The first opinion of Justice retired B.N. Shri Krishna is a part and parcel of the investigation and documents connected therewith. Stop. Moreover, comma, certain documents have already been disclosed to the appellant herein. Stop. Para. The simple test in this case is whether SEBI has launched the prosecution on the basis of the investigation report alone. Stop. The answer seems to be no by SEBI's own admission in its reply, where it states that the investigation report was inconclusive and hence further scrutiny of the transactions by experts was called for. Stop. That being the case, comma, further reports and opinions obtained, comma, from whomsoever it may be, comma, are only an extension of the investigation to help SEBI as a regulator to ascertain the facts and reach conclusions for prosecution or otherwise. Stop. Para. For the above reasons, comma, we do not agree with the contention of the learned senior counsel for SEBI that the first opinion of Justice retired B.N. Shri Krishna is covered by legal privilege under section 129 of the Evidence Act. Stop. Same is the case with the second opinion of Justice retired B.N. Shri Krishna and the report of Shri Y.H. Malegam, comma, which are nothing but a continuation of the fact-finding exercise undertaken by SEBI to determine culpability. Stop. Para. Moreover, comma, learned senior counsel, comma, Mr. Arvind Dattar, comma, appearing for SEBI has pointed out that the present set of proceedings have emanated before criminal court, comma, wherein the procedures must be strictly in accordance with the provisions of CRPC. Stop. He states that the stage of document production under the CRPC is provided under section 207 and 208, comma, which takes place after cognizance is taken by the magistrate. Stop. This court, comma, in SP value money supra, comma, while rejecting a similar contention, comma, held as under. Stop.